Welcome, warriors, athletes, and everyday heroes. Today, we're not diving into foxholes or sports drills, but exploring the most important battlefield of all, the one between your ears. Whether you're a service member on active duty, thank you for your service, one veteran to another, training for the NCAA championships, or just trying to show up as your best self every day, the secret weapon might just be, hold it now, the power of mindfulness. Hi, I'm Wil Dieck, college professor and longtime martial artist. And today, we're talking about how mindfulness can sharpen your focus and give you an edge in everything you do. So, what exactly is mindfulness? At its simplest, it's about being present, really present, not stuck replaying yesterday's embarrassing moments or stressing over tomorrow's what ifs, but dialed into the here and now. This kind of mental clarity can turn any moment, whether on the battlefield or on the playing field or even in a boring meeting your boss called on Friday afternoon, into a zone of calm and laser sharp focus. And don't worry, mindfulness isn't just for monks sitting on mountaintops anymore. Military personnel, law enforcement officers, athletes, and all kinds of high performers are using it to stay cool under pressure. Because when things get intense, focus, clarity, and composure are what separates winners from the rest. Now let's talk about focus. Ever notice how your mind loves to wander when you need it the most? Like right before a big play or a crucial decision? Losing focus, even for a second, can have serious consequences. The good news, focus is a skill you can train. One of the best ways to anchor your attention, no, not with that big giant metal thing, is by anchoring it to your breath. Let's try this quick exercise together. Sit or stand comfortably. Close your eyes if you can, or just pretend if you're meditating in public. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest and belly rise gently with the air. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, noticing the sensation of letting go. Repeat this for about 30 seconds, just feeling your breath moving in and out. Congrats, you've just anchored your mind. This little trick is powerful. Research shows mindful breathing can boost your attention span, sharpen situational awareness, and kick distractions to the curb, whether you're dodging tackles or making split-second decisions under pressure. Let's be honest, life throws stress at us all the time. Combat is stressful, sure, but so is finals week or trying to find your keys when you're late. Mindfulness gives you some battle-tested tools to handle anxiety and stress like a pro. One technique is called a body scan meditation. Think of it as giving yourself a mental x-ray from the head all the way down to your toes. Lie down or sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations, tingling, warmth, tension, without trying to change anything. Slowly move up through your legs, your torso, your arms, your neck, your head. This practice helps you find hidden tension and calm your mind before stress turns into a full-blown meltdown. Another handy tool is progressive muscle relaxation. It's as simple as tensing a muscle group tight, like your toes, holding it for a few seconds, then releasing it completely. Move up through your calves, your quads, your abs, your hands. You get the idea. Not only this will melt away physical tension, but it tells your nervous system it's time to chill out. Both these techniques train your body to respond calmly instead of freaking out when things get a little intense. Over time, you'll feel more centered and ready to take on whatever life throws at you. Here's something that might surprise you. The toughest warriors aren't emotionless robots. They're emotionally resilient. Instead of bottling up their feelings or letting emotions hijack their decisions, they've learned to observe those feelings calmly and manage them like a pro surfer riding those big waves. This is where non-judgmental awareness comes in, watching thoughts and feelings float by without grabbing onto them or pushing them away. Why does this matter? Because when adrenaline spikes, anger or fear during high pressure moments, those emotions can mess up your game plan fast. Mindfulness helps you notice these feelings before they can take over so you can pause, breathe, and respond with clear-headed composure. Now, this isn't just about feeling good. It's about staying cool under fire, adapting on the fly, supporting your teammates, and not just surviving, but thriving in tough situations. To sum it all up, mindfulness techniques like focused breathing, body scans, and non-judgmental awareness boost your attention, reduce stress, and build emotional resilience. Whether you're facing combat, competition, or just the daily grind, these skills are game changers. Feel inspired? Try adding a short meditation or mindful breathing session to your daily routine. Even just 5 minutes can make a difference. Over time, you'll notice more clarity, calmness, and focus on and off the field. Oh, one last thing. Just hit subscribe for more brain-boosting hacks that take minutes but change everything. It's an easy and free way to support us, and you'll boost your brain power along the way. Until the next time, this is Wil Dieck wishing you only success. And remember, mastering your mind is the first step to mastering any challenge life throws your way.